And Beta ji, now we will attempt question number 5. Question number 5 is the vertices of a triangle ABC are A minus 4 minus 2, B minus 8 and minus 2, and C 2 and 6. Find the perimeter and the area of the triangle ABC. To find out the perimeter of the triangle, perimeter is the length of all the sides. Sides are AB, length of AB, plus length of BC, plus length of CA. We will find out the length of AB first. We will let the coordinates of A as x1, y1 and the coordinates of B as x2, y2. Now x2 minus x1. x2 is 8 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 2 whole square is equal to 8 plus 4 square minus 2 plus 2 square is equal to 8 plus 4 12 square plus 0 square is equal to under root 144 is equal to 12. Now we will find out BC. We will let the coordinates of A as B as x1, y1 and C as x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to minus 6 square 6 plus 2 whole square. 36 plus 8 square. 36 plus 64 is equal to 100 is equal to 10. Now we will find out CA. Now we will let C as x2, y2 and A as x1, y1. Now x2 minus x1, 2 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 2 whole square is equal to under the root 2 plus 4 whole square plus 6 plus 2 whole square. 6 square plus 8 square. 36 plus 64 is equal to 100 is equal to 10. So the perimeter is equal to AB, which is equal to 12.
Add all the
Yes, plus BC, which is equal to 10, and CA, which is equal to 10. Now the final answer is 32 units. This one is the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Now we want to find out the area of the triangle. Now I will introduce a new formula for the area of the triangle when vertices are given. Area of the triangle when vertices are given. Area of the polygon. You can find out the area of any polygon with this method. when vertices are given. This formula is known as shoelace formula. Area is equal to half. We will write down the coordinates of A, B, C and repeat the first one, A. Coordinates of A are -4, -2. Coordinates of B are 8, -2. Coordinates of C are 2, 6. And the coordinates of A are 4, -2. First of all, we will multiply these two. Half -4 into -2,
Eight.
+8.
Yes.
Plus, now we will multiply these two. 8 into 6
48.
plus. Now we will multiply these two. -4. Now we will put a negative sign. Now we will multiply these two. What's the answer?
-16.
Plus. Now we will multiply these two. Answer is -4 plus. Now we will multiply these two. The answer is
-24.
yes. Is equal to half 52 minus -16 -4 -20 and -44. Half into 96 is equal to 48. Is there any confusion in the formula?
No, sir.
In applying them, we will use the shoelace rule. That is -4
Okay.
into -2,
Like
8
you have to write
into,
the coordinates of
sorry,
we have to write the coordinates of each of the alphabets A, B, C.
we will write down the coordinates of ABC in this format. If they suppose that we
Okay.
want to find out the area of the rectangle, then we will write down
Yeah.
A, B, C,
A
D,
again.
A, B, C, D, and A again. And we will apply the shoelace form.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now,
We have to multiply the opposite values.
yes, we will multiply is like the laces of a shoe.
Oh,
That is,
okay.
first we will multiply
Okay.
these two, then these two, then these two,
Okay.
and then we will multiply -2 with 8, -2 with 2, and 6 with 4.
Okay.
Okay. Now, part number 2. Hence, find the length of the perpendicular from A to BC. Hence, find the length of the perpendicular from A to BC. We want to find we want to find out this length of perpendicular from A to BC. Okay.
Okay.
We have the area of the triangle as 48. Okay. Now we can also find out the area of this
Yes.
triangle
Okay.
with the help of the formula. Area is equal to half into base into height. Area is 48 into half. We will choose AB as the base. AB as the base. Length of AB into. We want to find out this height. This height. यही हाइट है ना ट्राइंगल की.
जी यही है.
हाँ जी. इनटू हाइट 48 is equal to half. AB, we have the length of AB is equal to 12.
So we can multiply by 12, multiply by h.
Yes. The final answer is 48 over 6. H is equal to 8. Sorry, for AB is 12. Height is 8. Yes. This one is the answer to this part 2. Is there any confusion?
Okay. No.
Now I will attempt
So for
question.
area, we only have to put the formula and then put in the values.
Yes, we will use the traditional formula. Area is equal to base into height.
Okay.
Okay. Now question number 6. The diagram shows ABC with vertices A minus 2 and 1, B 1 1 and C 3 4. The diagram is given. The points are marked. Find the area of the triangle ABC. Now vertices are given. We will use the shoelace formula to find out the area of the triangle. A is now we will use the shoelace formula. Multiply the numbers in this order. That is minus 2 plus 4 plus 3. We will put a negative sign, a bracket. Now we will multiply in this order. That is 1 plus 3 minus 8. Half 5 minus 8 minus 4. Half into 9 is equal to 4.5 unit square. This one is the answer to part number 1. Now part number, is there any confusion?
No.
Now part number 2, find the length AC. Find the length AC. Distance AC is equal to, let A as x1 y1 and C as x2 y2. 3 minus minus 2 plus 4 minus 1, 5 square, 3 square is equal to 25 plus 9 under root 34. And please use calculator to find out under root 34.
Okay, 1 minute.
5.83. What's your answer?
Yes, 5.83.
Now, part number 3. ABCD is a parallelogram. A, B, C, and D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Find the coordinates of D. You know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Now, AB and CD should be parallel and equal. What is the length of AB? Please measure the length from the graph. 1 unit, 2 units,
Uh,
3 units.
3 units.
3 units. This length is 3 units. Is there any confusion?
No, I understand.
Okay. Now the length of CD should be 3 units. 1, 2, 3 units. This point is D. Can you see a parallelogram?
Okay, okay.
Now the
Yes,
coordinates of D are, what are the coordinates of D?
0 and 4.
Yes. The coordinates of D are 0, 4.
Yes,
What is the special characteristics of a point when it is on the y-axis?
that x is 0.
Yes, very good. Now, part number 4. Given that K is a point T4 and the area of the triangle BCK, area of the triangle BCK, area of the triangle BCK is 12 units. Now, coordinates of B, C, and K are given, and the area is also given. We will use the formula, shoelace formula, to find out the values of T. Now we will put all the values in the shoelace formula. Area is equal to half B, C, K, B. B is 1, 1. C
1
is
and 1. 3 and 4.
3, 4. K is T4.
3 and
And B
4.
is 1, 1.
1, 1.
Area of this triangle is 4.5. Yes.
4.5.
No, no. Area of the triangle BCK is 12. 12.
This is 12, yes. 12.
1 over 2. Now we will multiply in this way. 1 into 4, 4. 3 into 4, 12. T into 1, T minus bracket open. Now we will multiply in this way. 1 into 3, 3 plus 4T.
4t plus 4.
Yes. 3 plus 4T plus 4. 24 is equal to 16 plus T minus 7 plus 4T. 24 is equal to 9 minus 3T over 4. These straight lines are known as modulus. These
Okay,
straight lines are
modulus.
known as absolute value or
Modulus.
modulus
Okay,
of 9 minus 3T. Whenever we want to remove this one, we will put a plus or negative sign on one side. Plus minus 24
okay.
is equal to 9 minus 3T.
Mm. Okay,
Now 24 is equal to 9 minus 3T is one option, and the second option is minus 24 is equal to 9 minus 3T.
okay.
3T is equal to 9 minus 24 and 3T is equal to 9 plus 24. T is equal to
3t equals to
9 minus 24
15
is
minus 15.
T is equal to 11. These two are the values of
Okay.
T. Now, what does this modulus represent? What is the function of the modulus? The function of the modulus is modulus of minus 5. We will consider the absolute value. We will consider the magnitude of this one. The magnitude of minus 5 is 5. Minus indicates that
Okay.
this minus 5 is on the left side of the 0. Okay. The distance of minus 5 from 0 is positive 5. Now, what is the distance of 5 from 0?
5,
Modulus denotes the distance of any point from 0. What is minus modulus of minus 7?
7
7.
positive.
Modulus of plus 7 is also 7. So if there is an equation that
Okay.
modulus of x is equal to 3, what values of x we will put at this place to get 3 is equal to 3?
We'll 3, we'll put 3.
3 is equal to 3 and the second value is
Uh, minus, wait,
we can
3.
we can replace x with 3, then the distance of 3
Yes,
from 0 is 3, and we can replace
yes.
x with minus 3 and the absolute value is also 3.
Will come
So
3.
when we will
Okay.
open this, when we will remove this modulus sign, when we will remove this modulus sign, we will put a plus minus sign on one side and get the values of the unknown.
Okay.
Now, I will attempt question number 8. Question number 8 is the distance between the points 1 2t, and 1 minus t comma 1 is 11 minus 9t. Now we will apply the distance formula on these 2 points. x1 y1 x2 y2. 1 minus t minus 1 whole square, t minus 1 whole square is equal to 11 minus 9t. By taking square on both sides,
So won't this be x? This is y2 minus y1, right?
yes,
So
1 minus
1
1 minus,
minus
you are
2t.
right.
Yeah.
We will cancel out this square root with square root with square. We are left with 1 से cancel हो जाएगा, and this one is minus t square plus 1. Open the formula of 1 minus t whole square.
1 minute.
The formula for
1 minus
a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square.
minus 2 plus b square. Yes.
Okay, apply this formula onto 1 minus t whole square.
Okay. Once. So we have to ignore the negative signs, right?
Yes. Now 1 minus t whole square is equal to
So this will be 1 minute. 1 square minus 2 and then bracket 1 and then t plus t square.
yes. This will be 1 minus 2t plus t square. Now we will simplify this expression and
Okay.
get the value of t. T square plus 1 minus 2t plus t square minus 11 plus 9t is equal to 0. 2t square minus 7t minus 10 is equal to 0. 20. Is there any mistake?
T
Yes, there is a mistake. This one is 2t, y1 is 2t. 1 minus 2t होना था. चले दोबारा करते हैं.
square. अच्छा.
देखा करना ध्यान से. कोई अगर गलती हो तो उसको आइडेंटिफाई किया करो. We will apply the formula on the 2 points. Apply the distance formula on the 2 points x2 minus x1, 1 minus t minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus y2 minus y1 1 minus 2t whole square is equal to 11 minus 9t. Now we will take square on both sides to cancel the square root. 2 cancel with square root, 2 cancel with square root. Now 1 cancelled out with 1, cancelled out with 1 minus t square. Please open the formula 1 minus 2t whole square.
1 minus 2t whole
2t whole.
square.
The formula is a square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now 1 minus
Uh,
2t whole square is equal to
1 square minus 2 and then bracket 1. 2a. 1 minute. So for b, we'll take 2.
2t. B is 2t.
2t. Okay. 2t. And then plus b square. So 2t square.
Yes, the final answer is 1 minus 4t plus 4t square.
T square. Yes.
Now we will simplify all the terms and find the value of t. 5t square minus 4t plus 9t plus 1 minus 11 is equal to 0. 5t square plus 5t minus 10 is equal to 0. We will divide all the terms with 5. We will get t square plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. We will break the middle term.
Yes.
It will
Okay.
become t square plus 2t minus 2 is equal to 0. T plus 2 minus 1 into t plus 2 is equal to 0. T plus 2, t
This
minus
was
1 is
20
equal,
minus 1.
t is equal to minus 2 and 1 are the answers to this question. Is there any confusion?
Yes. No.
Okay. These are the difficult questions about the distance formula. If you will practice
Okay.
this exercise, you can attempt any question regarding the distance formula.
Okay.
Question number 11.
Okay.
The vertices of a triangle PQR are P13, Q54, and R is 515. We want to find out the length of perpendicular from Q to R. We will sketch this one. This one is the triangle PQR. We want to find out the length of perpendicular from Q to PR. This one is the perpendicular. We want to find out the length of this perpendicular. Can you see the perpendicular with a blue line?
Yes.
We want to find out the length of this perpendicular. Now, look at this question number 5. In question number 5, Part number 1 is find the perimeter and the area of the triangle ABC. We can find out the area of the triangle ABC with the shoelace formula because all the coordinates are given. Hence, part number 2, hence find the length of the perpendicular from A to BC. Find out the length of perpendicular from A to BC. This one is the length of perpendicular from A to BC. Okay. And
Okay.
we have used the formula of the area to find out this length. The formula of the area, that is half base into height. Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in this question, first of all, we will find out the area of this triangle. Then we will use the formula with the help of shoelace formula. Then we will use the formula area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. And we will find out this height. Now, first of all, we will find out the area of the triangle PQR. Area is equal to half PQR. P. P is 13, Q is 54, 515, 13. We will use shoelace formula. One into 4, 4 plus 5 plus 15 minus bracket open 15 plus 20 plus 15 half 9 plus 15 24 minus 50 is equal to half into minus 26. These straight lines will make minus 26 positive, and the final answer is 13 unit square. This one is the area of the triangle PQR. Now we will again use the formula half base. Area is equal to half base into height for this triangle PQR. Area is equal to half into base into height. Area is given, which is 13 into half. Now height is this length, this blue length, x. Now height is x. If the height is x, then what is the base?
The base will be PR.
Yes, PR is the base. Very good. Into height x. Now
X.
we have the coordinates of P and R. This one is P and this one is R.
Yes.
26 is equal to PR into x. 26 is equal to the length of PR is
We'll find the
x.
length. Okay.
Yes. 5 minus 1 whole square plus 15 minus 3 whole square into x. 26 is equal to 5 minus 1, 4,
4 square. Uh,
12 square
12 plus 12 square. 11.
into x. 16 plus 144, 160. X is equal to 26 over under root 160. What's the final answer? The final answer is 2.05 units.
Yes.